But you showed your weak side. Okay. Heading up!
I don't know. This setup is kind of like, I don't know how all it's going to work. Like the ESC was one that I had kind of sitting around. It's got one of those, you know the HSE Super Viper? Yeah. It's got one of those. I had a Viper a while ago. Ready? Flat.
Take it up!
Yep. Go a little behind you.
It's 120 at 5 volts.
Flat up, gear up.
My battery's kind of off after that flight. Yeah, I was full throttle. 5,000. 70 though.
You gotta see why this motor is whining so much.
I don't know.
I know, I just like to
I'm waiting for you so I can come behind you.
Again?
Go. Stop it. There we go. Now I'm in pursuit.
I'm half full.
I'm about the same. Yep, half.
You got the field to yourself. Let's see some hardcore maneuvering, simultaneous stuff. Right, let's pull up.
Go. Woo, Bob, this battery's killing it. Holy crap! The F-15, that was pretty impressive, Fran.
Yeah. That was very impressive.
I'm turning to the left. It's alright. God, this battery's screaming. This is a 6500 70C. Low pass from the left. Here come the biplanes in formation. Going up.
I'm gonna meet you there on the runway.
Yep, biplanes in formation. I see you, Rand. Be right behind you.
So my battery is getting low, so I'm gonna have to take some.
Okay. Yep. Low pass. Kind of close. Be awake. I hear it, Ram.
Landing left.
All right, fast, low pass from the left.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
I'm digging this pack, bro. Holy crap. Big time. You there, Bob? Is that you? Yeah. This thing's amazing. This is just the FMS 12 blade. Yep. Listen to it. Listen to it. I mean, it's just going. And it's still got full control, so it's not slowing down. I'm liking it, Bob.
Timer over 38 seconds.
Wait, what's your setup in the fish bed?
FMS 80 millimeter.
Yeah, Ricky, how was the landing?
I didn't see it.
Oh, so why the thumbs up?
I like the way the flight was.
Well, have you seen the vertical I was going?
Yeah.
It keeps going and going and going.
Right. Landing from the left.
And I started my speed up. You like it? I'll sell it to you.
All right, Bob, that was pretty cool. Are you trying to sell these or what?
I'm trying to get a distributorship.
I mean, if you're trying to do that, you want to try to sell them. Those are pretty freaking badass, bro.
The fish beds?
Yeah, the one that's in that right now. Holy crap.
That guy right there?
Yeah. No, the battery.
What battery is it?
A Hobby Star 6500 70C.
How much is it?
I don't know, but whatever it is, it's pretty damn awesome.
One medium penalty. Awesome.
It's not very big either.
For a 6500?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the size of a 5000.
Yeah.
Whoa, hello. Yeah, look at that.
What's happening?
Very nice, Bob.